Hi crypto warriors, welcome back again to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I'm not a financial advisor. So, let's start. Alright, in this video I'll discuss about this project, that its potential or not, like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable time. Now, as you can see the website interface in my screen now, and the project name is Crystal the Monkey. We can say that the Crystal Monkey. First of all, I want to tell you about it that it's a meme coin and their whitelist is already available, and we can say that it's live. So obviously you can register in their whitelist to participate in their sale. So what is Crystal the Monkey? Like here you can see that she is here to make money. Join a whitelist, limited space, access their freelance, join Telegram. Who is Crystal the Monkey? Crystal the Monkey is a big Hollywood celebrity, starting in many top movies including Hangover Part 2 and 3. She is insanely popular and she is a billionaire, like the coolest monkey in the world. How much did she owe? Like here you can see there are only the amount of worth of the Crystal the Monkey. Like here you can see the tokenomics. Name of the tokenomics is the name of the token, which is the Crystal of the Monkey. The trigger, like the symbol, is Crystal. As you can see, the supply, the team tokens, which is 6%, and the tax, which is 2.5% in buy and sell, both. They are KYC, audited, and support. And here you can see that advisor, Saul, Dex external partners, CFC partners, the advisor, Team Baba, and here we can see the Dextral partners and the CoinDeco, which is also their partners. Their fairlaunch, which is live on 9th October. They start 2 p.m. UTC and the max by 2 ETH. While being sell, liquidity locked for 1 year and the team token locks for 31 days. Access fairlaunch. So obviously you will get the information about their fairlaunch. Their roadmap. They have they have connect huge things in coming in the future. Like here you can see the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and the phase 4. So I think right now we are on we are on this their phase 2. I think that like their finance is coming. After that they have a huge things coming, like they will beat the 5 million market caps, 3,000 plus holders, CMC and the CG listings, also the extra trading, utility discussions, and many more coming after their phase 4. They will update it. I hope that we can see that as a meme coin. They have nothings like Strap, others have, like you can see, like others have some utilities, and but they are not discussing about it in their roadmap now. But I hope that the discussions, as you can see, they are phase 4, which is incoming in the future. And the disclaimer, you will get a disclaimer like this is 100% a high risk meme token with low financial value. There is no formal team or a roadmap. Literally, it's a meme coin and it's a marketing strategy from the team. So we can say that they have a experienced team they have, which they are doing marketings. And they have no white paper yet, but I hope that they will launch their white paper soon. And yeah, in the upper section you will get their about information, their tokenomics, their fair launch, their roadmap, and the Telegram community. Now, let's check it out their fair launch. So here you can see the fair launch, and it's now like number 7 in their trending. And here you can see the presale will start after 1 day, and you will get introduction about it, like it's a meme coin. And here you can see the huge marketing experienced teams, like they have also launched a 100x project before, like which is absolutely amazing. And here you can see the minimum buy and like the max buy, which is 2 Ethereum. And everything here you can see like their soft cap, which is 25 Ethereum. I think this is the soft cap, yeah. And here you can see the presale start at in time like 9th October. It will start and it will end on 11th October. And their liquid block of time, which is 1 day, and guys, their whitelist registration, which is also available right now. So if you are interested to invest in, so obviously you can register your address in their whitelist. Like here you can see that I have already 210 address. They are in their whitelist registrations. Now let's check it out their X profile. So where we can see the X profile, and they have now, we can see there are around 299 followers or 300 followers they have, and the team is very active. And here you can see that James Baba, they promote it perfectly. Like he is an advisor of Crystal the Monkey. Now, anyways, like if I want to talk about their investing discussion, so obviously as a Memecoin, I'm not pretty much bullish on it, because this project, you can see everything in their website. Like obviously I'm bullish some things, because as a Memecoin, who knows, and this is people, anything is possible in this space. And here you can see the project is available on Ethereum blockchain. And if you are looking on some Memecoins which is on Ethereum, they did minimum 5x to maximum altcoins, maximum Memecoins which is built on Ethereum blockchain. They did minimum 5x, and I'm expecting from this project minimum 5x. And anyways, it can be also rag follows this crypto. So obviously if you are interested to invest in this project, so please do your own research to invest in. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join their Telegram community, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more crypto projects. Peace.